I added the new tombstones. I think what I'm going to try to do is every time you, I guess, hit this hitbox of your object, I'm thinking we'll have like an activate button so that you can actually activate your checkpoint rather than just hitting it. And I was thinking to add like either some sort of timer, either a timer or like something that would affect your points in the game. I'm not sure how it's gonna go, but we'll see how it goes. Can I be a practical on PC? What CPU do I have? My CPU is my brain or my frontal lobe, maybe. Standard human frontal lobe is my CPU. Comfy vibe going on. Yeah, I'd say so. Usually how I like to stream. It's getting, I think it's usually during the winter that I drink like a crap ton of tea. In my computer, I have, what is it? AMD 5600, something like that. I want to say. Forgot the name. AMD 56. Yeah. That's what's running on my desktop. Alright. So I started making the tombstone, and I think what we're going to do is, well, I'm not entirely sure, because right now we already have, like, room switchers, which are, like, our checkpoints, and I was thinking of adding a checkpoint to this. Only issue is, how would we activate it? Basically, what we would do is in our checkpoint, we would check what type of checkpoint is. Bro, can you please don't spam? It's just it's not very I don't know. I don't even know what to say. Nice. I'll check it out after I'm done with my stream, if I remember. Yeah, no problem. So yeah, I'm not entirely sure how we should do this. I might just go into our room switcher and add another like export value. That's basically what we do right now. So if we go into a room switcher, basically we have like this add lamp. We have a end of room light. Wait, do we even use this end of room left, end of room right? I don't. End of room on left. I don't think we use this anymore. Let's see. Oh yeah. We don't use any of these parameters anymore. What we do is either we use add lamp, which just adds the lamp path, which is like, I guess, yeah, this one right here. But what we could do is just add another export that says it's a tombstone instead, and based on the tombstone, we can connect that tombstone to That's the only thing is it's gonna be a little weird. Basically, what we would say is if tombstone is equal to true, then we would have to wait for the tombstone to activate. Oh, welcome back, Death Waffle. Or I guess now your name is Real Myths. Alright. So yeah, well, I guess we'll do it that way. So there's one other thing that I'm thinking about doing, and that's well, I'm not entirely sure what's going on in one of our scripts. There's something that we added recently that's making our game lag a bit. If we have enough time, I'm gonna test that out during this stream. That means going onto my laptop, like my weaker laptop, and yeah, we'll just test it out. Maybe I'll just I'll take the camera out, I'll just bring it over here and we can test it right there. We'll see. I'm not entirely sure yet. I actually don't even know what's wrong with the version. We're gonna have to go through all of our commits and see which one is messing us up. But it's something recent. I would say within the past 2 months, something recently that we did. So we'll figure that out. But yeah, let's add this new connect lamp. So what I think we're gonna do is we're gonna have another if statement. So we'll have let's do export var. We'll do export tombstone equal to null. And I think we'll have a tombstone path as well. Let's do that. Export. Actually, we don't need a export var for this. We'll just say var tombstone path. And we don't have to preload it. We're just going to add this path. What was it? Tombstone 2. Export var tombstone. Can't accept null constant expression for inferring. What the hell? Export var. What? Can't accept a null constant expression for. What did we do earlier? Also, I just realized we're on night mode or night light. It's better. Why is this saying connected? Let's see. Bar connected lamp is equal to null. Equal to 1. Well, actually, this should just be. Let's just try tombstone is equal to null. There. Oh, okay. So you can't make. I wonder why I made it this one. Yeah, we were trying to fix this variable there. But yeah, var tombstone is going to be equal to null. And basically, I mean, honestly, we could actually just say export var tombstone is equal to. Let's do this actually. Export var tombstone. We'll say has tombstone or connect or add tombstone. I'll set this to false. And then we'll actually have a tombstone. Well, actually, no, we'll leave it the way it is for now, and we'll connect the tombstone if it exists. Hey, how's it going, cats eat tacos? Tacos eat cats. You know, did you switch your name? I thought it used to be cats eats tacos. All right, so we're gonna have it work in a similar way with like I mean, I wonder if we should just rewrite this whole thing. Oh, I see. So we have a connected lamp, and if we do have a connected, let's see here. If we do have a connected tombstone, we also are going to disable the hitbox. So yeah, let's just do this. We'll have an elif. If add tombstone, we're going to say either we disable this area. Yeah, we could say monitoring and monitorable are equal to false. We'll do area 2D dot monitoring is false and area 2D dot monitorable and then we're gonna have to connect this this new tombstone. We don't have anything working for the tombstone just yet, so let's do that really quick. We're gonna have to add an area 2D collision shape. Why did I use self on connect? Self.connect, turn on lamp, connected lamp. This is, I'm basically connecting the lamp of this checkpoint. It's called a room switcher, but it's basically a checkpoint that basically says, let's see here. If the lamp is on, we set it to like, we run set active, which is what? I actually don't even use. Oh no, sorry. Whoops. We connect ourselves to the lamp, and the lamp runs set active. So if we go into the connected lamp, it's either new chain lamp or our dynamic lamp. New chain. We grab the light and just turn it on or turn it off. And we're gonna do something similar with the tombstone. Although actually, with the tombstone, we're gonna send the signal from the tombstone to the checkpoint. Like it's gonna be switched because I think what we're gonna do with these tombstones is there's gonna be like a timed element to it. It's like if you've ever played Shovel Knight, you can basically like break your spawns. I don't know if we're gonna have an option to break our spawns, but you have an option to use your spawns or use your checkpoints. And if you do use them, you won't get punished for them, but if you don't use them, you'll get rewarded. I haven't thought of the reward just yet, but I'm thinking maybe like certain things would be blocked out if you don't. Certain things will be blocked off if you do use them, but it's not necessary to beat the game. Do I know how to use an area 2D collision with only one connect function? With only one So I mean, like, are you saying like you use an area 2D and you only have like one signal? Yeah, I mean, you can just put like, let's say, I mean, usually you'll want to have more than one signal, because like, I mean, let me see what the signals are. Area, I mean, yeah, you want to have one that handles area entered or area exited. You could just do area entered, but sometimes you might want to have some sort of you want to handle collision or like exiting the collision shape for certain scenarios. At least for my game, that's how it works. But like, let's say you're working with a game with bullets or something, or maybe like enemies, like, you know, you touch an enemy and they kill you, then you would only need to worry about body entered, or I mean area shape entered. Oh, no worries, Skull. Thanks for stopping by though. Thank you. I'll try to keep up the good work. I recently had to re-download OBS. I feel like the stream isn't updated as it used to be. So I'll have to spend like a good hour maybe just updating the stream. In terms of like, you know, the UI, the things that are displayed, switching between scenes, stuff like that. I don't know what's going on there. We'll figure it out. But yeah, we have this new hitbox, and basically what we'll do is on area entered, we're going to, oh, and we also want to do this. We're going to make a dynamic button, or like a dynamic icon that grabs what the input is, and based on that input, or based on what you're using, so let's say you're using a controller, it'll switch to the controller button. If you're using a mouse and keyboard, it'll switch to the mouse and keyboard input button. What shaders do I use in memory? So I don't really use any shaders. I'm trying to think. I used to have shaders in like the background. There's one shader that I use for the player's death. So like every time we die, you can see here, there's a shader on the player when they die and respawn. I used to have some other stuff like in the background, like almost like stars and stuff, but it was a little too hard on the GPU. I mean, like, it was fine for like most computers, but like on low spec computers it would just lag like hella, so I just removed it. I'll try adding it again. I think like after I'm done polishing everything, I really want to try to optimize most of the code. Oh wait, usually we get locked onto, I'll have to figure out what's going on there. I mean, it's probably a really small edge case where we're not locking onto the wall sometimes. It probably has to do with our raycast. Oh well, yeah, we'll figure it out. But yeah, there aren't too many shaders. I need to spend like, I don't know, I feel like I have to spend like a month just learning shaders. I know there's like a bunch of resources online and tutorials and stuff like that, but I feel like shaders are like a much more, you know, technical thing. And I feel like it's easy to mess up if you're not careful. In terms of like, I don't know, running them correctly. But maybe it's just, you know, fear of the unknown. I don't know too much about shaders. So I don't want to like risk like messing things up. But yeah, I would like to explore them a bit. Eventually. Alright. Hey, how's it going, Fernando? I meant to play your game, like I wanted to play your game a few streams ago. I was just waiting for you to hop on, but I could play your game today. If you will be around. I think, oh wait, no, I just got like I re-downloaded Windows and everything, so I don't have it anymore, but I could download it right now. Download it on the side for now while we wait. All right, sounds good, Fernando. I think I need to download 7-zip. I would say Godot is a solid. I don't know. Is 9? If I had to rate it, with the scale, I don't know if you're giving a scale or if you're giving me boundaries on a scale. I would say it's probably a 9. If we're considering it from 0 or 1 to 10, you're giving it only. If 9 is 0 and 11 is 10. Then I would say it's 11. All right. So while we're downloading 7-zip, that's already done. Yeah, let's just make this button work. Or let's create a dynamic button. Unfortunately, I can't connect my Xbox controller at the moment. I think I have to download some drivers, so we won't be able to test it. I mean, it should technically work. Just have to make sure. Also, I think what we're gonna do is look at our global script, and we're gonna create another variable. I think that's what we're gonna do because we have something checking for joypad input. And if there's joypad input, we set the mouse position indicator to false. Basically what we could do is have just another variable that checks if we're using a controller. And if we are using a controller, then every time there's one of those dynamic buttons, it would show, the Xbox controller button. Otherwise it'll show whatever our keyboard button is. Only thing is, we could just use text. Like for a keyboard, if let's say it's E, we would just type in E. We do have a collection of icons that we could use, but I would have to import every single icon, and I'm most definitely not going to do that today. So yeah, let's do this. We will create a new node. And we'll call it dynamic icon. Call it dynamic button icon. And let's add a script. Let's save it. We'll save it into our UI. I don't know what to call this, or what folder to put it in. I guess we'll say interaction. All right. And then we'll have to add a script. Basically, what we're going to do is have a show and hide function, and in the show and hide function, whenever we see something, we'll just, whenever there's the option to, press Y or E or whatever you want, it'll just grab from our global value. Hey, how's it going, Irish John? Irish John is also a game dev. He's working on like a much more, what would I say? Is it like a higher, well, it's definitely a higher budget, but it's also just like crazy. Like, how many years have you been working on that game? Like close to 5 years with like 3 different like reiterations. 4 years. Yeah, that's crazy. I'm still in 2 years. Or yeah, I just hit 2 years. But yeah. How am I? So I'm doing pretty well. I'm like in the midst of like creating the Kickstarter for the page. I don't know how well it's going to go, but I'm like trying to put, like, every time I start working on the Kickstarter, I start to question myself, and then I'm thinking like, hey, I gotta polish to get this game even more. And it's like, damn, like, you know, you get overcritical about your game. Yeah, thank you. We'll see how it goes. Either way, I think it'll be like a really good learning experience. But yeah, we'll have a funk show. Oops. Funk hide. And we don't have anything in our global just yet, like checking if we're using an Xbox controller or a keyboard, but I think we'll do that. We also have like this mouse position that we could use, but nah, I think it's better just to have a variable for it. And we'll just say var using keyboard or using controller. By default, we'll set it to false. I mean, we could put it here. Alright, sounds good, Irish John. Controller is false. Actually, we're gonna split or reverse this here. Alright, so, and then in our tombstone here. Oh wait, where did we put? Oh yeah, dynamic button. So we'll do if global dot using controller. We haven't made the buttons yet. We're just gonna make the if statements. And then for this one, we'll just say visible equals false. And so now we're gonna either have a label or an icon. Let's do that really quick. We're also gonna have we're gonna need like a collection of sprites. I don't think I have that saved in the game just yet. Let me see. Xbox. We do have the default one, so we have like our A, our B. No, I guess we do technically have everything. RB, LB, LT. Yeah, we do have everything. Hey, how's it going, YouTunes? How you been, man? So our dynamic button, so basically what we'll do is we'll have to decide if we're using the label or if we're using the I guess we'll add a sprite. And we'd also have to grab like the path to the correct sprite, and we don't actually have anything for that just yet. So what I'm going to do for now is we're just going to have the Xbox button Y be the default, no matter what. And if someone tries to change it, it'll still say why. But we'll change that with time. I mean, who would change the default input on an Xbox controller? They should know that the developer knows what's best for them. You have to use a speed hack to beat my type. Well, I think it should. I can't wait for the day someone's able to beat the game, or beat my time in the game. I hope it comes to that point. Obviously, I have an unfair advantage because I've one, I've developed the game, and two, I've play tested the game so much that it isn't fair to compare it to me, right? And it's not like I'm amazing at video games. It's just, if you spend a lot of time in one thing, obviously you're going to be pretty good at it. Should we use this one? So yeah, we could leave it like that. So either it's going to show the E button or it's going to show the Y button. And I don't know what this looks like in game. Actually, let's do this. I think we're going to make this unique. Go into this font settings, and we're just going to lower this by 30, 25, 20. I think 20 is a good number to go for. I think we're going to put these right on top of each other. Alright, so yeah, in our script, basically, I think we'll hide both of these by default. And yeah, maybe we won't hide either. We won't hide the main node. What we'll do is we'll just hide both the label and the sprite. Sounds good to me. Yeah, it's also not a very long game. The demo is not so long, so it's easy for me to I think the main thing is that I'm really good at the pixel. I think I'm good at the pixel perfect movements because I've played through it so many times that I know what is the fastest route to take to to get to the end of the room. But I'm hoping that the later levels require a lot more I don't know, dexterity with your controller or with your keyboard. I'm hoping it does. And I'm also planning on adding this new mechanic right now where I don't know how it's going to punish or reward the player, but basically I'm adding these tombstones to the game, and these are going to act as save points. But if you don't activate them, you'll get more points basically, or it won't lock certain rooms or certain things from the game. That's what I plan on doing. We'll see how it actually turns out. The main reason why I wanted to add this was because I found some cool sound effects, and I feel it would just sound good. Yeah, I can show you. The sound is what's playing when I switch between rooms. It might be kind of hard to hear. Yeah, why is it so quiet? Oh, you know what it is? It's because my music is so loud. Maybe you guys can hear it now. But yeah, I was thinking of playing that, but you see this tombstone right here, you would go in front of it, the interact button would show up, the dynamic button right here, or E, or Y, whatever shows up. In a scoreboard of times killed by level cleared, I would have the first 20 places. That's funny. Yeah, it's a hard game. Oh, I almost forgot Fernando. We're going to be play testing Fernando's game today. I'm I'm installing 7-zip right now, and then I'll go ahead and download the game. Oh wait, no, I already downloaded the game. Oh, apparently there was a network error. Let me see. I'll try downloading it again. All right. Yeah, so I watched a video on Shovel Knight where they did something similar. So originally with Shovel Knight, what they did was they made it so that you would have to pay to get a spawn point. But the thing is, players that were bad at the game or struggling with the game would they were the ones who needed to pay for it, but they wouldn't have the money because they were bad. Whereas the players who are really good didn't need it because they already had all the money and they were really good at the game. So what they did was they switched it around. So people who now in Shovel Knight, if you automatically always get the checkpoint, but what you could do is break the checkpoint. And if you break the checkpoint, you get money for it. Yeah, basically. Beat the game without using any spawns, or what we could do is have the spawns, if let's say you don't use a spawn, it would add to a multiplier or something like that. I don't know how it would work, but yeah, we'd have to figure it out. Maybe every time you pass. Yeah, I don't know yet, but I thought it would be a cool idea. I don't know if it's feature creep coming in the way. I think it is a cool idea, but it's also, I guess, maybe slightly unnecessary. We'll see. But I do think the sounds for it would be very cool. All right, so I'm opening up Fernando's 1.0 version at the moment. It should be played with can it be played with controller, Fernando? Oh, the thing is, yeah, my controller's not working. I might just stick with keyboard and mouse. All right. Yeah, we'll finish up this dynamic button, and then afterwards we'll play Fernando's game. So if using controller, we'll just say label, or sprite.show, or sprite.visible. And label.visible is equal to true, and then for either one, we'll just say label.visible equals false, and sprite.visible. And that's all we have to do. And I think we'll say we might mess up here, so or this might mess up with one of our class functions, so we'll just call it show icon and hide icon. And if it doesn't work with this button, I think we could still do some other cool things with this dynamic button icon object that we're making. The possibilities are endless. All right, so I think we could just add this to our tombstone. We could also maybe add this to the top of the player. So that, this could always be in our player node, and it would. I don't know. Let's try it on the node first, on the tombstone itself, and otherwise we'll try it on the player, on the player's head. I don't know what makes more sense. For now, let's see. We could make this local. Oops, what did I do? Load as placeholder. Let me delete this. Alright, so yeah. What we'll do is on body shape entered. Oh wait, no, not body shape. Area shape entered. Oh wait, we don't need all of this info though. Let's see that again. Just need area entered. We'll just do area. Yeah, how's it going, Dev Waffle? If area dot get parent. When am I gonna get a game dev badge? Oh yeah, that's like a new thing, right? Apparently. I should have looked in. I remember someone mentioning it, and yeah, I completely. Like, I was thinking of doing it, and then I forgot about it for the longest time. If area.getParent.type is equal to player. What we'll do is just say dynamic button dot show icon. Oh, you started making a platformer game. That's pretty cool. This is a pretty cool concept. It's kind of like memory, because like we're trying to do something with like, you know, your like, I don't know where we are. Are we in limbo? Are we in some like? I do want to keep it as like ambiguous as possible, but yeah, like, you know, you're in some realm that's not, you know, that's not Earth, right? And yeah, it's pretty cool. Are you making it like, so if you're a Viking, is it going to be like combat based in any way? Oh, Fernando, you're here. Do you want me to play? Are you? Yeah, you'll be here in the next few minutes. I'm gonna finish this up, and then we'll start working on we'll play the player game. On area exited, all we're just going to do is hide icon. And one other thing I think we need to do. Oh, you'll have a dining break in 10 minutes. All right, so how about this? We'll do it afterwards, after you're done with your break. After you're done with dinner. Damn it, I blow my nose. All right. We haven't added. Oh yeah, we did add it. So it should work at the moment, but the only thing is that it's not connected just yet. Basically, what we're gonna have to do is, if one of these buttons are showing, or I guess, yeah, if we're inside we want to make sure that that it sets the spawn point, or that we have to like hold it or something. Oh my god, that looks terrible. Who thought this was a good idea? So it's because the resolution of our game is really low, and this font just doesn't match. What we could do is put it in yeah, we could place it like on our player's canvas, like on top of everything. It wouldn't be a bad idea, actually. I mean, there would be less of this object sticking around. We would have to tell it, like, we would have to send the signal to like our, I don't know if we'd put it in our player. We'd put it somewhere. I think we'd put it in our UI canvas and just put it like on top of the UI canvas. We'd grab this position and then like say, hey, just go into the same position, but on the viewport instead. What sort of boring stuff that you need to get rid of? Because I feel like all aspects of the game are kind of fun in their own way. I mean, like right now, like people usually say UI stuff is pretty boring, but that's what we're doing right now, you know? So let's do... Yeah, we'll remove it from our tombstone here. But we do still need to send some sort of signal. We'll probably grab our UI, so maybe like we'll go into our level manager. Our level manager will say, hey, this is our... The boring stuff to me is making the trailers. You know, I would have to agree. Anything administrative is just super boring. Boring and also demotivating. Like working on the Kickstarter page, oh my goodness. I can only do like 20 minutes of it before I'm just like, oh, let me play some video games or something. Start making all the variables you need for movement and animations and set up basic movement. I see. Yeah, dude. Let me know when you do stream. That I feel like that'd be a lot of fun to watch. I could help you out too. Oh, and yeah, don't be afraid to ask me any questions. I'm not like a guru in Godot, but you know, I have been working on a platformer for 2 years, so I might know a thing or two. So I'm thinking we could put this in. Wait, let me see. UI canvas. I mean, we have the grab UI here, so maybe we would create another thing right here, and then in our UI canvas. Wait, let me see. So at the moment, we have the grab UI has its own script. So I think we'll have the interact UI have its own script as well. So let's do that. And let's go back into dynamic button. I think I'm just going to change this type to control instead. And what we'll do is we'll have a func called place. Set position. And the position is going to equal the global position converted to the viewport position. So we'll say, I forgot how that works, but we'll look at, I know our mouse indicator does this. So wait, func zip does not match parent. What's this? Oh, we already have a set position on, say, canvas. Set position canvas. There we go. So yeah, let's just look at our mouse really quick. Oh wait, to go into our player actually. Oh, I see. I thought you were working with Godot. Yeah, I don't know anything about GameMaker. So in our mouse position is equal to get viewport dot mouse position divided by our OS size divided by our level manager dot viewport node dot size. Get viewport dot get mouse position. I'm trying to think. So follow mouse uncentered is equal to get global transform with canvas dot rotation. Yeah, so we want this one dot origin. This is our position right here with canvas. I'm just wondering if we have to. Yeah, I think that's the only thing that we would have to grab. So let's go back into UI. No. Oh, we didn't add it. Oh yeah, in our button here. Set position is going to equal, and we also want to grab an object here. So we'll say, we'll just say node. And we'll say position. I don't know if we need to set, I don't know if position is actually the right. Set. We can try saying position, but I think this will be wrong. Let me see. You'd say rect position, maybe? correct position is equal to node. We'll try this out. Okay. And at the same time, we're also going to want to run whether we're using an Xbox controller or not. But I'm thinking, yeah, let's where should we put it? Should we put it in the set position? Dynamic button. So let's add this right now. So yeah, by default it is hidden. Actually, no, we don't have to hide it. I don't think we have to hide it. Yeah, because its children are hidden. Hey, how's it going, Neo? But the UI is a mess in Godot? Oh, really? I think it always looks like a mess when, you know, it's something really new to you, right? That's how I felt with like Unity or yeah, almost every like new software that I use, I'm always like, oh my goodness, this UI is, you know, horrendous. Or like even in video games, sometimes I'm just like, damn, why is there all this stuff here? Could they just make it simple? All right, see you soon, Fernando. So I'm trying to think. So yeah, right now we have it so that our dynamic button, we have dynamic button dot show icon. We can say level manager dot grab UI dot whatever it is dot hide, and we could say dot show icon, but then we also want to make sure that we set its position. So let's do that right now. So we'll say dynamic, or actually we don't have a reference to it just yet, so let's actually go back into our level manager. And let's have a reference to it. I don't think we have one just yet. What we'll actually do is in our dynamic button, actually, yeah. In our level manager, let's just have a main nodes, loading, background states, main canvas right here. We'll just say var dynamic button UI is equal to null. And in our ready function for this dynamic button, we'll just say level manager dot dynamic button UI is equal to self, and then over here in our tombstone, instead of saying show icon, we'll say this dot show icon. But we also need to make sure that we're running like the global position. We could also say, yeah, we could include some other information here. We could say self, and basically would grab that position. Yeah, I think that should be good. Let's call this show and place icon. And hide icon could be the same. Just make sure we actually call it that. show and place icon. All right. I'm not sure if this will work just yet. Get note dot get transform. Yeah, let's try that. Oh, so we can see this E here, and it's most definitely not in the right position. Let me see. Go back here. So the position was like right here. Let's see what happens if I like. No, that won't work. Does need to be. I mean, I'm trying to think. Yeah, we should just print out some of those values and see what they actually are equal to. Yeah, let's just center this again. Is that actually, yeah, rect? It's rect position. It's always going to be updated. Doesn't even matter. Yeah, let's print this out really quick. Show in place icon. Canvas position is 264.62. That seems like it's right, but it's not multiplied. It's like it's grabbing the I don't even know what this positioning is, but like this is technically the correct resolution on our screen. Oh, but I guess because it's on our UI, it's a little different. So let me see something. I think we would have to multiply it by our viewport node, I think. Get global transform with canvas. It all depends on the window size, or get viewport. Don't know. I'll be right back. I have to use the bathroom. Uncentered. Mouse position is equal to get global transform with canvas. That's the part that's like, I guess, messing me up. I guess we are converting it to the mouse position. We're converting it to Let's see. I'm thinking we could technically grab like the screen size. Yeah, let me see. Godot get the set position. So yeah, this would work, but I wonder if there's like a function that says to set position on. Oh yeah, I think we could just multiply it by like our viewport transform, basically just the size of it. Let me see something. If we go into our UI canvas, now the scale is 1. Hey, let me just see if this works. Transform. try getting window size as well. So right now it's saying canvas position is 264 by 62. Our window size is 960 by 540. We could, I'm thinking, we could we divide that value. What would that be? Or what is it? 320 divided by, we have to grab the size of our screen, which is 320 by 180, and then multiply that by 960 by 540, and that would be the position. Weird way to go about it, but it would work. Is there anything that actually records the... Here. I think we do have something in our UI. Wait, no. Main scene. Where's our main scene? Viewport. Let's see. Yeah, we do have a viewport here. Level manager.viewport.size. Okay. Level manager.viewport node.size. And then we'll have to multiply that by the window size. I'm sure there's a much better way to go about this, but I don't have the patience at the moment. So now it's over here. What do we do? Right position is equal to node.get global transform with canvas divided by viewport node.size times get window size. Wonder. What? It did move. It's like not. I'm trying to think. Viewport size. So I'm going to try to. When you divide a vector, do like the x and y correspond? Like the x is divided by the second x and the y is divided by the second y? that might be the problem. Possibly. We could create a new vector right here. All right, we'll try this out. If it works, it works. Let's do this. Vector 2. No, it's still over there. Yeah, what the hell? Times our window size. So our canvas position divided by, let's try this one more time. I'm gonna do, instead of grabbing this viewport size, we're just going to say divided by 360, or sorry, 320. And this is 180. What? Why is it doing that? I mean, right position is equal to let's try one more thing. 960 and 540 divided by times 540. Let's comment this out. So yeah, maybe we're just really bad at math. Yeah, so it keeps spawning in the same spot, and must be something wrong I'm doing. Maybe we don't have to divide it by 320. Let's see what it looks like if I did. I think, what is it? Let's try times 3. spawned in the same exact spot. You know what's also weird is that it's spawning in the same spot, but like I think it's on the right axis, or like on the right y-axis, or like in the right position on the y-axis. It's kind of confusing. I'm gonna try one more thing, and we're gonna multiply this by 6. I think that's the ratio from our viewport to our screen size. This doesn't work. Oh, okay. So that's a little closer. And yeah, that's the exact position. That's the origin of this. It's kind of hard to see, but there's a little E right there. Oh no, the bots are back. Okay, so we've gotten closer. I think there's one other issue, and that's like, let's say we full screen the game. I think that ratio changes. Oh, it doesn't change. I wonder. What could we do? I mean, we could technically leave it like that. It just seems weird to multiply it by 6. Hey, how's it going, Fernando? Yeah, we could end it here with the game, with our game, and we could play test Fernando's game. Doesn't sound like a bad idea. Alright, let's do it. Back this up. Alright, open 7-zip. I thought I already extracted it. I don't see. Oh, it's down here. Okay. Scavengers pack. Whoops. There we go. All right, let's do this. Scavengers from Planet X. How to play. Can I give one suggestion? When it comes to like UI stuff or like I don't know how much you plan on like updating the game. I think you mentioned that you wanted to work on another game. Also, do you want me to? I'm sorry. I don't know if you wanted me to playtest or give like I know I'm playtesting, but I also could give you like what I consider to be like feedback or like yeah like my subjective opinion on like things that like, could improve stuff like that. So you recommend using a keyboard for walking and a controller for a spaceship. Only thing is, so yeah, I have a new desktop at the moment, and it doesn't have any Bluetooth compatibility. Um, let me check. Oh, you know what it is? It's that my Xbox controller ran out of battery. I'll be right back. So yeah, my Xbox controller ran out of battery, and I only found one other battery. So hopefully that's enough voltage for like for it to connect. I don't know. Let's see. Hey, how's it going, Sinister? Alright, seems like it's enough. Yeah. Honestly, I would prefer using a controller. But yeah, it might not work actually. All right, yeah. Let's continue. So yeah, when it comes to like UI and stuff, I feel like it's best to, instead of like showing like a full manual like this, I think it's better to have like a frictionless way to introduce the mechanics. So like depending on what they're using, like they start flying a ship and then it's like, all right, use arrow keys or use your mouse to manipulate your position and stuff like that. Dog jump or yeah, tutorial level, or like it doesn't have to be a tutorial level. It could just be like implemented into like the first few levels of the game. You can unfasten your seatbelt. This all the same. Yep. Fernando Lopez. Oh, thanks for the acknowledgement. All right, let's do this. So does the loading, like we can always come back to this game? The loading, saving, and all that works properly? New quest, see your PDA. This the Roomba 7 07. Welcome to Karina Sector. Talk to Bob to get your passenger transport license. I'm a slow reader, so it's gonna take me a while to like get through all of this kind of stuff. Yeah, let's do the first one, Bob. This reminds me of like a type of room I would have, or like, if you've ever seen Blade Runner, reminds me of that. Where's Bob? Did you say resident area? Docking bay? Does they usually say their name if I walk up to them? Oh, there we go, Bob. Should I do any other quests before I leave? No, let's just do it. Yes, I'm ready. Oh. Whoops. I could start 4 quests in Utopia. Is there like gas and stuff that I have to worry about? Or fuel? Power, temp. Atomic ships, I see. Okay. Oh my. Whoa, whoa! I didn't. Okay. I'm really sorry you're dead. I'm trying to click on reload autosave. Is it possible that the game never autosaved? Because I died so fast. Here, let me move my camera. Move it up here. Yeah, I'm trying to click out. Oh, I see. All right, yeah, we'll speed run this. Docking bay. Oh. Oh, it's okay. We'll come back. We'll come back. So I pressed E and automatically I started like. Okay, there we go. Greenhaven. So I'm at Utopia. Greenhaven is here. Damn, my reviews are pretty bad at the moment. Freaking dark mouse. I'll smile. Okay, so how do I know? Oops, whoa. Oh no, what did I do? Fasten your seatbelt. Oh no. Use my navigation system. Where's my navigation system? Greenhaven. Look at the radar. I'm sorry if I'm not entirely sure what I'm doing. Okay, wait. So, I'm on jump mode right now. I pressed. Oh, I see. Okay. Why don't I see Greenhaven though? Oh, there we go. So I'm on Greenhaven. So I assume it's on my right. Yeah, I see the green point, but how do I turn? Like I'm. Fasten my seatbelt. Space. Ah, there we go. Greenhaven. Damn, I felt like such a boomer trying to figure this out. Docking mode, inertial engine. Jump mode. Docking mode. Should I be in inertial mode? Sublight. There we go. Am I gonna crash? Am I gonna... Oh my god. I should save before. That'd be less confusing people. I need a vacation so long I forget all my passwords. So I got 4 stars. That's pretty good. Pretty good for my first time. So we've got the spaceport. There's a taxi cab network. Oh, okay. So I could take... If I need to go back, I should just pick up a job before we leave. Green Haven. Does it say eco in infection LTD? Roshi Core, Founders Mall, Founders Crypt. I think I remember this. Around 140 pages of lore. Damn, that is a lot. How long have you been like building this this like universe? And do you plan on expanding on it in any way? I see. So, in this world, you're a taxi cab driver. Is there like... Or, I mean, you can work as a taxi cab driver. Are there any, like, conflicts in the game? And do we find those conflicts in the in this version? Oh wait, I wanted to see what those other buildings were. Oh, and discover Planet X. I see. Find the scavengers of Planet X. Oh my god. Alright, we'll probably leave Green Haven for now. You have to scrap random dialogues and non-essential NPCs. Why is that? Take off. Wait, no. Are all of these quests in Utopia? I see, I see. So I know you said you wanted to start working on another game. Are you going to? Do you ever plan on? Like, when do you plan on going back to this one to expand on? If you do plan on expanding on it. Oh wait, look for Nehemiah from Hiroshi Corporation. Oh, but they're in the Utopia station, okay. How does jump mode work? I guess it's for places that are much further away. Did I almost crash? I have to go into like docking mode, right? Oh my god, oh my god. Docking. Oh, mouse. Oh, there we go. Okay, that's better. And how do I like rotate on the X, like on my axis? Cozy spaceship. Why did I only get 4 stars though? Is your score based on like how fast you play the game? I mean, how fast do you like deliver them to their destination? Founders War, he needs your help. Capsule Hotel, Casino, Utopia Garden, Great Library. Was it Morgan? Oh no, we have to go back to the okay. Let's just accept all the quests that are here. Kuroshi Corporation. Look for Nehemiah. Find him at the Utopia station. What's the next one? The Neural Dreams office, and find him at the Utopia station. Close to the casino, okay. Did we get anything? No, probably not, right? Oh, we did the first quest, didn't we? Oh, we got this. We got Bob. Let me save just in case. Neural Dreams. You said near the casino. Close to the casino. How hard would it be? Oh, there we go. At the ages of 8, yeah, we know that. The age limit. Oh my goodness. Honestly, I'm not interested, but I guess I need to do it to continue the quest. Oh, dead by excessive work. Yeah, I've heard that about like Japanese culture, that like they're worked, like they work very hard, and like there's a high rate of like high suicide rate because of it. Literally dying for work. So I assume. Okay, so we have to go. The Utopia Garden, but also we need to find the Neural Dreams. Casino, let's go back. Capsule Hotel, that's pretty cool. Residential area. Utopia Garden. Yes! I need a certified resume. Oh, whoops. Accidentally clicked forward. We need employees, that's funny. The Drunken Founder Bar in Greenhaven, who might. Okay. Alright, so we have 2 quests for New Haven. Greenhaven. Let's just go into the Neural Dreams. Don't know where that is. Let's see. Capsule Hotel. Residential area. Was it maybe in here? Great library on Sweet Home, residential area. Oh. Oh wait. Engineering. Utopia. Law. A unified currency associated with energy costs. Is this supposed to be a reference to crypto? So there's no neural thingy here. Let's see. Maybe it's near the docking bay. Oh, no, it's not in the docking bay. We might skip that quest for now because I don't see it. Unless, wait. No, we went to the Utopia Garden, right? The secure supercomputer of the central bank is hackable. Little Dreams is in front of the hotel. Oh. Capsule Hotel. Oh, so yeah, I wanted to ask if it was possible to add like not checkpoints, like map markers for the player to know where to go. Because I feel like it's very easy to get lost. I know some games like some games want you to like look for stuff, but I usually find it like personally I enjoy games that have like map markers. Use the quick navigation on PDA. Quick navigation. Where am I? Am I blind? Quick travel. Oh! You should have told me this earlier. There we go. Our technology will allow you to virtually travel to precise place where space exploration began, the moon. It's so realistic that you'll feel like you're there. Yes, please take me there. It's extremely real, 99% safe. The best part is that customers will remember the dreams as real memories. Cost. It's free. Watch Earth from the place where it all started. A deep neural experience. Ooh. Second anniversary. This truly was a neural dream experience. It's part of an unpublished sci-fi book he wrote 10 years ago. Oh, wow. That's pretty cool. It's so cool to see, like, I'm always fascinated by, like, world building and, like, what goes into, you know, like, into the environment you're creating. I mean, like, they have, like, you know, you can create a story, but world building is, like, on a whole other level. Mars. I'm a neural dream specialist. I'm the guy who fixed the problem when something bad happens in a neural dream. Alright, so we can go on with finishing up these quests. Oh yeah, I forgot quick travel is a thing. Let's go to the docking bay, but before we do that, will this take me to Greenhaven again? The woman seed in Earl Dreams. Oh. Oh, a random place. Okay. Sure. So there's this one here. There's Jericho. No thanks. Oh no. Oh, the... thing is to project onto the cerebral cortex for viewers. It's like being there. Infinitely better than personal limit screens. Melted Brain, the most important film production in the market. Go to Jade Studio. Xanadu System. Xanadu System, I assume that's a somewhere out there in the universe, in the galaxy. Okay, map. Let's see. We have to go back to Greenhaven. Save. the sounds and like the white noise that comes from the spaceship. Makes me feel comfortable for some reason. I forgot we could do quick travel. Secrets. What's that? Founders. Wachowski. Your space walrus, your resume is a cheesecake. Hope you find your space walrus. Thank you, sir. Smell like fermented malt. Oh no, I thought it was gonna be free. $68 credits. So, where's my space walrus? Yeah, I remember you mentioning that. In the Maxwell system. lower your speed like this. This is technically not like sublight anymore. Oh wait, what am I doing? I'm not even going to the right spot. How do I rotate? Like I'm like... I feel like I'm tilted a little bit. Oh, Z and X, okay. Yeah, like that. Morgan in the Great Library. Guess I have it. Found this expedition. I think this is the most interesting story to me at the moment. In Angels and Hope system. Okay, so we have the hope system. We have Kilvillon and Jade Studio Xanadu system. Okay. Docking Bay. How much money do I have? Ooh, 83 credits. Alright, how do I get to these other systems? Oh, sector map, there we go. So there's Xanadu, there's Maxwell. What's the other one we needed? Founders Expedition. Hope system. Hope. Oh. And we want my first jump. It's pretty easy. So what's the temperature system? Or like, I see there's power, like how much power you're using, the temperature. Are those values significant in any way? Is this monument? Or is that monument? Oh, when I get close to the stars, 50% off on cups. Got some cereal, some box of regular. Monuments Mall, I see. Forgot what her quest was. Look for Toyokazu. You Toyokazu. Excuse me, are you Toyokazu? Oh, there's Toyokazu. Nice. We gotta bring that data back to Morgan. Let's try to speed. I'm not gonna speed run it, but I do want to finish one of these quests. I'm gonna try to finish the Founders Expedition. We have to eat dinner soon. Let's try to finish this up. This will take me to Utopia. Which one is it packed? Freedom. Oh, whoa. No. Wait, it's not. I thought I could be cool about it. So I saved the game, but it's not reloading autosave game. Let's see, quit the main menu. Load. Autosave. Oh, so I think it's just that the button might be broken. Let me just see, because I saved right before we crashed. So we should spawn right here. There we go. Fuck. Oh no. Oh no. I'm getting too excited. So what's the difference between docking mode and inertial mode if I can control the speed with my scroll bar? I see. Unable to dock. Usually you should prompt, right? Prompt. I'm not sure. I'm trying to, like, usually it says, like, I'm supposed to press E. Oh my, I don't learn. Yes, I guess it's not detecting collision here. I'm in docking mode. Turn off my... Here, we can maybe... I'll try saving here. Game saved. Load packs. Yeah, strange, very strange. Here, I try to go to a different sector. Do you think switching to a different sector and then going back will fix it? Maybe it's because I saved and, like, you know, loaded in game. Maybe that's the bug. I mean, sorry, I loaded, like, while I was, like, in, like, people, you usually probably don't save as often as I did. Yeah, saving in space. And, like, loading in space is causing the bug. There we go. Customers happy? What was it? Oh, look at that. 5 stars. Professional space taxi. Or case taxi. So what was the quest? Do we have to talk to Morgan? Wait, why did we have to go here? Oh yeah. There you go, Morgan. Wow, you were wasting time. New Tokyo. Oh, a context directory. In hope. quest that we do for the founders, and then I'll probably take a break here. I'm always afraid I'm gonna crash, but I'm gonna trust the system. Okay. Because it says like it's loading, or it looks like it's loading instead. I assume it's just like when you reach that distance, when you reach a certain distance, it loads in. Inari is a special character. It's a Inari? No. Are you Inari? I'm sure Inari will be in New Tokyo. New Tokyo. Oh, in front of the spaceport. Is Inari here? Are you sure? Opposite to the spaceport. Am I blind or dumb or? Hello, Inari. A frog in a well knows nothing of the sea. But I knew you'd come by one day. Oh. I'm looking forward to the rest of the Founders Expedition. So, is the Founders Expedition the main quest to the game, or is it just one of the many quests? Is there a main quest? The Founders Expedition sounds like it's pretty important, but it's the Founders Expedition and the 6 quests around it. I see. And these other quests, like the ones that I started out with, like the corporate secrets and stuff dreams are made of, are those like more so like important quests, but more, like kind of side quests? They're still important. Oh, okay. Corporate saga plus main story. I see. Okay. What's that? Buy another drink. Very cool. I'm very interested in who are these scavengers. As to who are these scavengers. Where is Planet X? Already. Let's make sure we save. As for like, I'm trying to think of like, if you want like constructive criticism on things that maybe I would do. New Tokyo has a unique track. Are you talking about New Tokyo? Few bottles of sake. A few bottles of sake. Link system. Hey, I didn't accept this quest. She just gave it to me. That's ridiculous. I don't want these sake bottles. Okay, no, it's already here. Now I have to, yeah. Damn, old New Tokyo. It's pretty depressing. No sky, it's all dark. Do you want a cheesecake? Yes, please. What can I do with these things? I want to eat them. Oh, what? Didn't I buy more than one? Got one. So move this one another. It's like, oh, mouse. To avoid cholesterol problems. I see. I see. I think my mouse it disappeared. I'm trying to like alt tab and I click on it, but oh, there we go. Alright, some slight bugs if you want me to like nitpick is if I press tab while walking, it like places the it still plays the sound. Like I'm not pressing anything. Let's see if there's anything else I can find like as I just play. Yeah, it opens the PDA and then it like keeps playing the walking sound. But yeah, that's it. It was fun, Fernando. I really love the story that you're building here. Yeah, no problem. Of course. Alrighty. I feel like we've been streaming for a little while now. I might stream again later today. We'll see what happens. But yeah. I think what we'll do is just some more polishing. Not sure yet. I'll see you guys another time. Goodbye.